Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna make callaloo and saltfish. Please stick around and watch this video. Before cooking the callaloo, you want to soak it into some salt water to take away any impurity, dirt, insect and stuff like that, and then you want to trim up the stalk of the callaloo. So when you cook it, it's soft and tender. So now we're going to cut up the callaloo because I already did that. So you want to fold this up. And then we're just going to cut it up like this. You can cut them finer or you can cut them bigger. Cut them anyhow you like them. Alright? You can cut them onto a cutting board or you can cut them into your hand the traditional way. Because most Jamaican people cut callaloo into their hands. We normally cut it up like this when we're cutting up callaloo. This is the way that I know, but the easier way is to cut it up on the cutting board. So I'm just cutting it up on the cutting board. I can give it a second chop like this. And this is fresh callaloo from the backyard. So we finished cutting up the callaloo. Simple and easy. It's time to prepare the saltfish. Before adding it to the callaloo, we have to boil it first to take out some of the excess salt from it. So we're going to boil this at least once, then soak it in some cold water to take out the excess salt. If you like your salty, you don't have to boil it. You can just soak it into water and take out some of the salt. While the saltfish is boiling, we're going to prep our vegetables. And I'm going to use one whole onion. You can dice this, you can chop this, however you want to cut it. And I already washed everything that I'm going to use. So I just chop them up like this. Here I have some sweet pepper, a red, orange and green. You can use more or you can use less. Or you can just use one color. Alright? Now I'm gonna add 2 Roma tomatoes. Gonna chop up 1 garlic clove. Gonna add Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and scallion. Now I'm gonna saute my vegetables all to the pot. Now I'm gonna add the vegetables. I'm gonna saute this for about 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the saltfish or the codfish. I already pick out all the bones, take off the scales, and wash off the saltfish from the excess salt. I'm also gonna add some pimento berries to this, or pimento seed. Now I'm gonna add the callaloo to the pot. Eventually the callaloo is gonna get shrink or whelp down into the pot. It might look enough now, but it's gonna go down after a while. So I'm just trying to get what's underneath the bottom to go on top so the callaloo can cook. And you want to cook the callaloo for at least 10 minutes. You don't want to overcook this for it to get soft and soggy. You want your callaloo to still have some bite to it. You don't want it cook out. You want it to have nice crunchiness to it. And you're not going to add any water to this. You're just going to cover it and allow it to steam. Alright? Before covering, I'm going to add some garlic powder to it. Some Maggie all-purpose seasoning. And this is about a tablespoon. Because you still want the callaloo to be flavorful. You don't have to add any season to yours. You can just eat it idle like that. But I like to spice up mine. I'm going to also add some complete season to it. A teaspoon. See, you see it starts to shrink down already. See that? Gotta add the thyme and the scallion and the Scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm just gonna cover this and let it steam. So this is the finished product, and as you guys would say, I'm gonna eat this with some ground provision. See, we didn't add any water to it, and it sprayed a lot of water. See? So you didn't need to add any water to it. So now I'm gonna add this to my ground provision. And here you have it, guys, my callaloo and saltfish. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. The link will be down in the description also with the recipe. Thanks for watching.